installing Nema 1450 today. So I just hired the electrician to come out and install it. We have to run the wire to all the way to the bottom. Yeah, they run it from the bottom. The way over here. Right here and right there. So the box should be right here. Okay, looks like we're done. And then they just put the 50 amp wire here, and then it go down under. That is, it's very professional handiwork. It's come all the way down here. Around the house. My house built in the 90s, so the breaker is outside. The breaker box outside the house. So come over here. Bring it over here across the fence. Over here and then go up there and then pop it in there. Right here. So my plug is right here. Nema 1450 is installed. Cost me $1,475. It is, I mean, it's pretty long. It's over 70 feet. The wire and the pipe and everything that they have to run. If I want to go to the other side, it will cost me even more. But right here, my charger should be able to reach to the car, and I tested out already. So let's see. Well, all I need to do is install this thing. So these to hold the charger, so it's not dangling, and this one to hold the tip of it, the connector. Well, let's see. All right, there you go. It's lit up and it's charged. It's lit up. Now it's gonna connect to the car. Let's see how it go. Like I said, I will put this right here, so it should hold it in place like that. All right, here we go. Let's give it a try. It reach. Okay, let's try. Okay, it's blue. There you go. It is charging. Not bad. $1,475 well spent, I would say. So it is being charged. Let's go see what's inside of the status to say. I'm not quite sure how this charged. Let's say 2 hours and 55 minutes remaining. I think I charged 290. Cool. Wait and see. I think I pay $1,475. It is pretty worth it. I mean, it took them pretty much like almost 4 hours of work, and it's pretty cold outside. Outside the wind chills like in the teen. So money well spent. Thank you for stop by and watch.